What's up? What's up? What's up? Woohoo! What's up mga kaupa? Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. For today's video ay ipapakita natin ang kagandahan ng sikat ng araw dito sa Mount Naupa. What's up? What's up? What's up? Day 2 for our Mount Naupa travel. What's up? What's up? What's up? Brief history po ng Mount Naupa. Ito po ay matatagpuan sa City of Naga, Southern Cebu. Approximately 1.5 to 2 hours away from Cebu City of travel. Sa mga nagtatanong po kung pangilan ito sa highest mountain, ito po ay pangwalong pinakamataas sa Central Visayas. Approximately 30 minutes to walk po sa mga hikers bago natin maakyat ang tuktok ng bundok, lalong-lalo na po sa mga veteran hikers. What's up? What's up? What's up? So guys, dahil naisipan namin na andon sa kabilang bundok kami mag-tent, so kinabukasan may bayad na 50 pesos para sa tent. Dahil yung main na pag-aari ng Mount Naupa ay yung may signage na Mount Naupa. So pagdating ninyo doon guys, sa ibaba may tindahan at magtanong kayo guys kung pwede doon sa kabilang bundok. If wala bang entrance, wala bang bayad sa tent or meron, magtanong na lang kayo guys para for your convenience, magtanong na lang kayo sa tindahan. What's up? What's up? What's up? Ang Mount Naupa ay umabot ng 2,500 meters above sea level. What's up? What's up? What's up? Upa Vlog! So what's up guys? So bandang 9 PM in the evening, hindi namin nakalain na may dumating na iba pang mga campers na nagaling pa sila ng Lutopan, Toledo City. What's up? What's up? What's up? So what's up sa kanila guys? What's up sa mga campers? Shout out sa Lutopan Landing High School. What's up? What's up? What's up? So tingnan niyo guys, oh. Napakasaya nilang tingnan guys. Shoutout po sa kanila guys. Upa Vlog said, "The young ones with the ones young. Meet them during our quick stay in Mount Naupa. Missed the days when we were as energetic, lively, and carefree as them. Mount Naupa! What's up? What's up? What's up? Shout out Landing High School. What's up? Experience the natural phenomenon and breathtaking view of Mount Naupa. What's up? What's up? What's up? For entrance fee, 25 pesos per head. For parking fees, 20 pesos for motorcycle, 50 pesos sa 4 wheels. How to get there po? So sa exact location, it is located in the city of Naga, Southern Cebu. What's up? What's up? What's up? For more information, just visit the description below the video. What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up? What's up? So what's up guys? Maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope you enjoy and see you in the next vlog. Bye! Woo! Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Upa Vlog. What's up? What's up? What's up? Upa Vlog! Woohoo! Mount Naupa! Woohoo! Cause I've been living life right like I